Student with 5-year tenure.
There's another question about the transport. What are the transport services available? Are most things available on campus?
Yes, using the campus transport system, you will see that the children have to pay. It's a paid 15,000 per annum. If they're willing to take the transport, they have to pay 15,000, and this transport facility is available to almost cover all the areas of the Karachi. So, and a very convenient way of transportation for the students.
This is not mandatory if they will use the service. Then
Yes,
only
it's
they
not
have-
mandatory. It's up to them. If they want to use it, then.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sure. Can I ask you something? Can you repeat this presentation? We are just live on 5-7 minutes. Just go.
Those who have joined us on Facebook, we are having a recap of the presentation for them.
Please actively हो रहा है. You start from the first slide or? Assalamu alaikum and I welcome to all of the live session candidates. I am Dr. Farhan Ishaq, serving as an assistant professor, Down Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. Down Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation is a constituted institute of Down University of Health Sciences, which was established in 2007. Doctor of Physical Therapy program is a 5-year undergraduate program. We cater early a batch of 100 students as per HEC policy at the OJA campus, and providing excellent academic facilities with senior and competent faculty with fully competency. The entire curriculum is recognized by HEC, and we are admitting around a batch of 100 students, and so far we have graduated more than 1,000 students. As far as the services offered by the Down Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation is concerned, we have broadly categorized into: one is academic and the second one is clinical. As far as the academic is concerned, we are offering undergraduate and postgraduate programs that are DPT and MSAPT, and the clinical services are concerned with the musculoskeletal rehabilitation, pediatric rehabilitation, neurological rehabilitation, and cardiopulmonary rehabilitation. As far as the faculty overview is concerned, we have got very highly qualified faculty, including masters, FCPS, and PhD level. They all are qualified from foreign and national universities. And the institute overall comprises of around the strength of assistant professors around 6 or around 4 senior lecturers, and clinical physical therapists. Now the academic programs which are offered by the institution are DPT, which is a 5-year program and which is comprises of 10 semesters, and the MS program which is comprises of 2 years, that is 4 semesters. The 5-year program is DPT and comprises of 6 courses per semester, and overall total credit hours is 175. Whereas the master program is 2 years, comprises of 4 semesters, providing and offering 3 courses per semester, and overall comprises of 33 total credit hours. The facilities being provided by the campus are comprehensive availability of digital library, lecture halls, laboratories, lecture halls which are very much equipped and with all the facility, comfortable seating facilities and multimedia as well. And we have got a huge canteen for the students. We have got a facility of transportation as well. Now, as far as the career pathway is concerned, we broadly divide the physical therapy in 3 different categories. One is academic, second one is clinical, third one is research. So the candidate which are graduate or they can pass out candidate can be practice or pursue their career in all these 3 career pathways. Now the admission criteria, we are offering 50 seats for the self-financed students and 50 seats for the open merit students. The criteria is quite same, which is intermediate science, HSC intermediate science, pre-medical, A-level or equivalent, and with an aggregation of 60% marks of intermediate. This is the actually minimum criteria to be eligible for the application. And admission will be given on the aggregation marks, on the aggregation percentage of marks, which are consist of 10% marks of matriculation, 40% marks of intermediate, and 50% marks of the entry test. Now the candidates must be a holder of domicile of Sindh province. Now the important things to be remembered is admission are going to open in the mid of November, that is 14th November 2021, and the form submission deadline will be around 24th and 15th. These are the dates which have to be which will be updated on the website. So you people have to be very much conscious about the updates on the website. Now the fee structure is concerned. The fee structure for the open merit is 1,20,000 per year. Admission fees is 50,000. Transportation fee is 15,000. It is optional. Those students who will avail the facility of transport, they will have to pay. And the overall fee structure for merit is 1,85,000. Whereas for self-finance candidates, it is total 2,65,000, including 2 lakh tuition fee per year, 50,000 admission fee, and 15,000 transportation fee as well. So that was brief information regarding the Doctor of Physical Therapy program. So if you have any questions, then please go ahead.
Thank you very much once again. Whether there's one question related to admission, when will the forms of UBT be issued? When can forms will be available online? It should be online.
That's the negative marking of question.
No.
Okay. And can you tell us how students should prepare for the entry test?
All the criteria of the entry test will be displayed on the website, and all the subjects which have to be prepared for the test, they will be informed in the website advertisement, which they will have to follow.
Intermediate baseline is basically the criteria of general knowledge.
Intermediate and general knowledge. Right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving us detailed information about the programs.
Thank you very much.
So this was Dr. Farhan from Dow Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. He briefed us about the